Alright guys, today I want to show you the mirror I've made, and in fact, as you can see, it was made using recycled timber, so old planks, and well, it came at almost no cost. The mirror sides you see, these are two individual panels. The first one over there and the second one here, which were glued to the wall using special mirror glue. And then the frame was made by screwing the wood to the wall basically. And the mirror is pretty big. It shows, basically reflects the whole bathroom in here. And what you can additionally see is that none of the nails or the old artifacts were removed, so it was preserved in that way, just to show exactly the age of the whole thing. And here's a lamp and a switch just above. So I hope you like it, and I'm gonna show you some other decorations soon. So how to make it? Again, glue the panels, the mirror panels you can buy in any hardware store, using special mirror glue to the wall, and build it by using 4 pieces of wood, 4 planks, which you can screw directly to the wall, making a nice frame. And that's how it was made in here. And it's again quite long, it's about 2 meters long. And the mirror comes with a nice bathroom. This is a nice freestanding bathtub, nice mirror, and a shower.